Like we're like, oh, let's open the window up, you know, let some like sunlight in. All of a sudden we're like putting things away, and we look, and he looks, and he's like, Ephraim's like, oh my god, he's like, babe, do not turn around. He's looking right through the window. Right at Walmart, and there's like a bunch of RVs here. There's so many. And there's so many that way over there. So many RVs. Here goes the test. I think it's gonna make the same noise. It was a little less, but it sounds like deaf still. Go ahead.
More pumps though?
This is pretty cool though.
For off the highway. They need to upgrade this.
Why that guy look like President Donnie?
Donnie Trump? And he had brown hair. Oh, which one?
Brown hair, and he's blonde.
There's no open containers.
So it says U.S. Border Patrol inspection in 1 mile. This is legit. Border Patrol.
Are you looking at me?
Oh crap. We just got to a stop here right before hitting the state line. The Arizona state line. And I'm tired. Well, I'm exhausted being in the car. I am. Driven over 2,000 miles. And I'm really hungry, so I'm about to cut this short. I almost feel like I need a wheelchair. My hunger pain's so... We kind of were waiting and holding our hunger because we thought we were going to see something better than Denny's, but after passing several Denny's, we realized it doesn't get any better. We're in the desert, honey. I'm done.
You're afraid of reaction?
Yeah. There's mad RVers here. People are probably like, what in the world? Maybe you should stop and say, hey, you know what that sound is, guys? Sounds terrible.
We gotta grease it up. It looks crazy when you were actually driving through it.
Slow down. Shoot.
Wow, I could barely see the road.
Oh my gosh. I almost had a heart attack. You scared me. Oh my god. Be careful. It's again, stay buckled.
Stay buckled.
Oh god. Why does it say turn the vehicle off though? Wow. We're just in a real dust storm. Oh my god, I don't think the tumbleweeds. I don't think I got it.
These are actually real.
Oh my god. Oh, right here. Wow. And then the sign's coming up. Oh my gosh, how cool is that? That is so cool.
There's a lot right there.
Oh my, I got him.
That big one.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, we're driving against the wind.
Oh my gosh. Arizona. About 45 minutes away from Tucson, Arizona. And then you see the sign. So we are checking in because we're about 10 minutes from a new life. We are 10 miles away from the campground, and we're excited. And we're excited to set camp up. Just excited for it to be dry for a while. Yeah. It's 71 degrees.
It's 71.
It's windy, but that's all right. And there's a lot of clothes we're probably gonna get rid of.
We're gonna do what is it, spring cleaning?
We're gonna do an Arizona spring cleaning.
Spring cleaning in January.
Spring cleaning in January. Yeah, we're just gonna get rid of stuff that we really, we already kind of filtered through stuff and gave away a lot of things, but honestly, I'm gonna continue to further filter that stuff out. Hopefully we don't have like a nosy neighbor that's like all up in our face. And we're here. This is a cool RV park. They have solar there under.
I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders and closed off. That's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights.
Secret. There you go. I'm gonna have to change it to George or something.
Like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I
the like site, and we're just kind of like unpacking things that we like sort away. And then we just got here to this like Mexican truck stop, or taco truck, Jesus. But we had this really weird like neighbor that was like, so I was like, okay, I'm pretty sure we're gonna meet this weird neighbor. Like, we just want to like unpack before it gets dark outside. So of course we meet the weird neighbor, and then he's just like watching us do everything. Like, we're unhitching, like he's just like He's standing there with his beer, like he's just like leaning on the pickup truck. And so we're like, okay. So I was like, maybe like if he sees us kind of we're moving around. No, he follows us around the RV. We're like putting the wheel tracks on. And so we're just like, okay, this guy has to go into his RV. So finally we like get inside and like we're like, oh, let's open the window up, you know, let some like sunlight in. All of a sudden we're like putting things away and he looks and he's like, Ephraim's like, oh my God. He's like, babe, do not turn around. He's looking right through the window. And I was like, no. I said, no, he's not. He's like, yes, he is. He's like, don't move. So he like walks into the bathroom, leaves me, and he's like peering in through like, he's like cracks the door open to like still stare at him through the back window. It was spooky, but good thing he told us. I guess he said, I don't know if he's like sober or not, but he told us that tomorrow's his last day there, so we're like, thank God.
Yeah.
Hallelujah, yeah.